Okay folks, let's talk fresh produce. There's nothing quite like the experience of seeing, smelling and tasting fresh fruits and vegetables straight from the farm. Forget those sad, plastic-wrapped veggies at the supermarket. They just can't compare to the vibrant, fresh options you'll find at a local farmer's market. We're going on a field trip to America's best farmers markets. These bustling hubs are where community and fresh food come together. These are the places where the food is vibrant, the smells are intoxicating, and the vendors might even tell you a joke or two. It's an experience that engages all your senses. Why bother with markets? Simple. Fresher food tastes better. The flavors are more intense, and the nutritional value is often higher. Plus, you support local farmers, get some exercise walking around, and maybe discover a new favorite fruit or vegetable you've never tried before. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. The difference in taste is remarkable and will make your meals more enjoyable. So grab your reusable bags, put on your walking shoes, and get ready for a culinary adventure. It's not just shopping, it's an experience. We're about to dive into some of the most amazing fresh produce markets in the good old US of A. Each market has its own unique charm and specialties. Buckle up, Buttercup, it's gonna be delicious. Get ready to explore, taste, and enjoy the freshest food around. First stop, Seattle's Pike Place Market. This place is a whirlwind of activity, packed with tourists and locals alike. You might get elbowed trying to grab a perfect peach, but hey, it's all part of the experience. Pike Place is famous for its fishmongers who hurl salmon through the air. Don't worry, they're professionals, but the real stars are the colorful stalls overflowing with fresh produce. From juicy Washington apples to plump berries, it's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. Be sure to try some local specialties like Rainier cherries or Walla Walla onions. And don't forget to haggle a little, it's all part of the fun. Just, maybe stand back when they're throwing the fish. Next up, we're heading to the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, home of the legendary Reading Terminal Market. This place is a food lover's dream come true, with everything from Amish baked goods to fresh seafood. But let's be real, we're here for the produce. And Reading Terminal doesn't disappoint. Stacks of leafy greens, mountains of tomatoes, and enough varieties of apples to make your head spin. You'll find everything you need for a healthy and delicious meal. Pro tip, come hungry. Grab a Philly cheesesteak or a roast pork sandwich after you've stocked up on your fruits and veggies. Just make sure you save room for dessert. Those Amish donuts are calling your name. Section 4. Ferry Plaza. Farmers Market, San Francisco's Bounty by the Bay. This iconic market is a must-visit for anyone who loves fresh, local food and breathtaking views. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're off to the Golden Gate City, San Francisco. A city known for its vibrant culture, stunning architecture, and of course, its incredible food scene. The Ferry Plaza Farmers Market is a San Francisco institution, with stunning views of the bay and some of the freshest produce in California. It's a place where locals and tourists alike come together to celebrate the bounty of the region. This market is all about sustainability and supporting local farmers. You'll find heirloom tomatoes, organic greens, and a variety of other fresh vegetables that are grown with care and dedication. And let's not forget the fruits. They're so ripe and juicy they practically burst in your mouth. Vendors often offer samples so you can taste the freshness before you buy. It's enough to make even the most die-hard carnivore crave a salad. The vibrant colors and fresh flavors are simply irresistible. Don't leave without trying some local cheese and bread to go with your fresh produce. The cheese is often made from local dairy farms, and the bread is baked fresh daily. And maybe a cup of coffee from one of the many artisanal coffee vendors. These baristas take their craft seriously, offering a perfect pick-me-up as you explore the market. Hey, you've got to stay fueled up for all that shopping. With so much to see and taste, the Ferry Plaza Farmers Market is a feast for the senses and a true gem of San Francisco. Section 5. French Market, New Orleans Historic Hub. Last but not least, we're heading down south to the Big Easy, New Orleans. Known for its vibrant culture, music, and food, this city never disappoints. The French Market is a historic landmark that's been around for over 200 years. It has witnessed the evolution of the city and remains a central hub for locals and tourists alike. It's a melting pot of cultures and cuisines, with something to please everyone. From traditional Creole dishes to international flavors, the variety is astounding. You'll find all sorts of fresh produce here, from Louisiana-grown strawberries to juicy watermelons. The market is a feast for the senses with vibrant colors and enticing aromas. But the real star of the show is the Cajun and Creole influence. Think spicy sausages, fresh seafood, and mouth-watering dishes that reflect the rich culinary heritage of the region. And of course, beignets, because New Orleans. Pro tip: wear comfortable shoes. You'll want to explore every corner of this bustling market. The French market is a long stretch of vendors, so you'll be doing a lot of walking. Each stall offers something unique, from handmade crafts to delicious treats. But trust me, it's worth it. The experience is unforgettable, and you'll leave with a deeper appreciation for New Orleans' rich history and culture. Just be sure to bring your appetite and your sense of adventure. The French market is a place where memories are made, and every visit is a new adventure. Section 6. Fresh Food, Happy You. So there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of some of America's best fresh produce markets. From Seattle to New Orleans, these markets offer a feast for the senses and a chance to connect with the people who grow our food. Remember, fresh food is about more than just taste. It's about supporting local farmers, reducing your environmental impact, and nourishing your body with the best nature has to offer. So get out there, explore your local farmers market, and experience the joy of fresh food. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it.